Hi, hello friends. Myself Sanjay. I'm studying Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm discussing about least cost method. First, PC introduction to least cost method. The least cost method is a transportation technique used to minimize the total cost of transportation goods from various sources to different destinations. Assumptions of least cost method. Availability. The total supply at the all sources must equal or exceed the total demand at all destinations. Demand. The total demand at all destinations must equal or exceed the total supply at all sources. Cost. The transportation's cost per unit for each sources to equal destination is known and fixed. Linear. The cost function is linear, meaning that the total cost of is directly proportional to the amount of goods transport. Objectives of least cost method. The objectives of the least cost method is to find the optimum transportation plan, the minimize the overall transportation cost will satisfy the supply and demand constraint. Minimize cost. The primary goals is to reduce the total transportation expected expense include efficiently allocated goods from sources to destinations in a way at optimized resources utilizations, satisfies constraints, ensure that the transportation plan meet the supply and demand requirement of each sources and destinations. Formulating a least cost problems. The least cost method problems is formulated as a linear programming problems with objective functions and constraints. Objective functions. Minimize the total transportation cost. Constraint. Supply constraint. Total unit shipped from each source cannot exceed its supply. Demand constraints. Total unit received at each destination cannot exceed its demand. Non-negotiative constraints. All transportations quantities must be not negative. Constraintive. The transportation table. A transportation table is constructed to represent the problem usually. Sources. The rows for the table spectrum present the sources of supply. Destination. The columns of the table represent the destinations of the demand. Cost. Each call in the table represent the unit cost of transportation goods from a specified sources to a specified destination. Apply the least cost method. The least cost method involved selecting the call cell with the lowest transportation cost and allocated as many units as possible to the cell. Step 1. Identify the cell with the lowest cost in the transportation table. Step 2. Allocated the maximum possible unit to this cell considering supply and demand constraints. Step 3. Repeat step 1 and step 2 unit all supply and demand constraints are satisfied. optimizing the solution. The Intel solutions obtained using the least cost method many may not be optimized approach iterative approach utilizing techniques like the stepping stone method or the modify destinations method to future optimize the solution, checking optimize optimality, verify if the solution is optimum by evaluating the optimality opportunity cost associated with each cell, adjusting allocation, adjust the allocations of the unit in the transportations tables unit the optimality cost are non-negotiating. Conclusion and takeaways. The least cost method is a simple and efficient techniques for solving transportation problems. Cost maximization, cost minimization helps find the most economical way to transport goods. Practical applications used in various industries like logistical, supply chain management, and distribution. Basic of optimization. Basic for optimization, providing a foundation for future optimizations using more available advanced techniques. Thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity.